I'd love to, but I don't really know what I'm looking at. I assume we're here.
Yeah.
This is a coach. Usually on these maps it has a little "you are here" thing.
Yeah.
But my brain's like, oh no, there's not one. So now I have to think.
Okay, so today we parked up at
Plitvice Lakes? Don't know.
Plitvice Lakes?
Plitvice?
Yeah. Plitvice? Something like that. Anyway, yeah, so we're here. I think we parked up in one of these, and there's a big old hike. So it takes about 3 to 4 hours, I think, to get a full day's experience.
You did the whole red route, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. We're prepared. It's a hot day, but we'll see just how much we want to get through. But this is the one we want to go see, the big waterfall, at the very least, and then go and tour
these walkways here.
some of the walkways and the bigger lakes. So
That'd be nice.
yeah, that should be pretty cool.
Lovely.
Right, let's get hiking. Okay, so we've made it in, and yeah, we had to pay, what was it, 17 euros for camper parking. But we didn't realise we had to pay for tickets as well, which, yeah, 40 euros per adult.
Stung a little bit, I will be honest, but it is pretty.
But you do get views like this, so is it worth it? I'll let you be the judge. But we're going to go down to the touristy looking bridge and fight for a photo. Try to get the same photo that everyone else is taking.
Yes.
Cool.
We love tourist places.
So I did read online that there might be a way to get free admission to the lakes, but you won't see the waterfall. But if you go between entrances 1 and 2, I think we're at entrance 1, which gives you the much more impactful view of the waterfalls when you enter.
You're set up for fail.
But yeah, we're not going to try and risk it, so we pay the tickets. But yeah, some more brazen of you might be able to get access to it for free.
No, all visitors should have valid admission tickets while staying in the park.
There you go.
So, pretty. Very nice.
Very nice. Let's get a bit closer.
Beautiful.
It's very nice. Look how blue it is. So as tempting as it would be to jump in there, swimming is forbidden. Yeah, so no swimming in these waters to keep them protected. Probably very cold. It's all filtered by the rock and the reeds and just super clean water. Wow. Says, do not throw coins into the water. Nature does not care for your money. When you throw coins into the water, you're polluting the area, especially the fine sediment and tufa berries. But you can see some people ignore the advice. The coin there, coin there, coin there. Everyone has to get their wishes in somehow.
What, coins?
Yeah.
Oh.
So we've just caught a sea snake, or a water snake, making its way through the lovely clean waters.
Making my way there, sorry.
Look at him go. Not a bad place for a quick snack break. Just have some water. And what have we got? We got some grapes and a chocolate pistachio croissant, which definitely has the... doesn't look like the picture. Nuts.
Looks like a brioche.
It does look like a brioche, yeah. That's a bit squished. So we didn't realise, but as a part of the ticket, so included the ticket is a boat trip, which goes from parking 2 to parking 3. Single trip only though. So this is P2, which I think is another entrance, and you can catch the boat back to P1 or stay on the boat and go to P3, which is further up the lakes. But we've just spotted a good bench. We're going to grab that for a bit of lunch, I think. So we move to a more shaded spot. We have lunch. Anything else? Crisps, wraps.
Good stuff.
There you go. Nice.
Yum, 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 yum,
And
yum.
there is a lovely waterfall view behind there, but
Might be able to hear it.
yeah, we'll check it out later. Noisy frogs. Good trip. And again, you're going to be in there soon.
He's just chilling.
So we found the elusive toad in the hole. And the original toad in the hole.
He's cool. His eyes are bright orange.
He's huge.
Yeah. Very cool. What a view, Mr. Toad.
I'll leave you be. Yeah, it's just teeming with life here. We keep seeing like snakes sort of swimming along the edge. Obviously there's the frogs, fish, butterflies, dragonflies, everything. So cool. So you can see from this map we started here at P1, which is entrance 1, and that's where Jolene's parked. We paid the tickets here, sort of did this route around the waterfall, went and saw the big waterfall to start, and then we kind of made our way up through the smaller waterfalls right up to P3 where we caught a boat.
And you get the boat all the way across the lake to P2. We had some lunch here and an ice cream. It was very nice. And then we basically just walked the whole path along the lake then, which I think we were actually quicker than the boat.
Yeah, it was quite a quick route back actually, and we saw some interesting things. We could have, so the boat's single way, so you can take the boat across is included once of the tickets, so it's like one single trip.
Yeah.
Also included in that, as I think it's a road train. We didn't do it. A road train that would take you back to parking and sort of, you know, so if you can't really walk that far, you have options. But yeah, we decided just to walk back here, and this is where we are. We're going to take the waterfalls back and get back to the van.
Yeah, some nice wildlife. There is a whole other section that we haven't really had time for. I feel like we'd be here for a few more hours, but it closes in like 2 hours, so we probably just need to go. But this has been beautiful.
Yeah,
and
we've seen you can buy 2-day passes as well, so you can see people probably do split it up, but
yeah, that's great.
Yeah, it is a beautiful day out.
It is a beautiful day out. It really is.
Come back to some of the biggest falls, and now the sun has dipped below the horizon. You can really see them better, and they are beautiful. Here we are back at Jolene. Oh, good, she's still here and not been broken into. So we had a lovely day at...
Well, where did we start? This morning or at the Plitvice Lakes?
Yeah, well, what won't be included in this video is we went to go see some bears at the bear sanctuary.
Yeah, that was amazing. That's really cool. So about 6 bears, baby bears, which were probably bigger than the adult bears.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we got here about midday-ish, 1 o'clock. and had a good few hours walking around the lakes. It's been amazing.
Yeah, they're very nice. I mean, the tickets being 40 euros, it is worth it. It is worth it in the end. The fact that you get the boats, single trip boats included as well across the lake, as well as the optional train back, which we didn't do.
Yeah.
It kind of makes it a bit more value for money, and especially when it's quieter, you have the whole place to yourself. It's so lovely.
It was so great. I think once all the coaches had gone away, it was just us and a few other tourists, that was when it was really enjoyable. Like, you weren't fighting for spaces. We had maybe 10 minutes or so where we didn't see anybody. It was really nice.
Yeah, we were just speaking to an American from California who was coming on a cruise, and the cruise was late, and they took a wrong turn to get here, and it meant they only had 45 minutes to do the whole thing, and they had no chance. So
you can't do that in 45 minutes.
No.
Like, he said he got to the big waterfall, which is great, and I think it's possible, but he must have been rushing.
yeah, enough time to enjoy it.
Yeah, so I feel for him. So the recommendation would be to pre-book tickets, but maybe not if you're on a cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe not.
All right. Well, we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.